So hi everyone, is it morning? Good morning. Hope you are enjoying your week. I'm going to be talking about Magic Layer on Canva. So let's just dive right into it. Like I said, Canva has been bringing in so many features and it is really nice. You don't have to spend like multiple hours working on something, aside from the fact that you can still use AI to design what you want to do. But on my own end, I still have some reservation. But notwithstanding, it can give you the base for the design, right? It can give you something to work from. It can give you something to work from. So let's assume that AI has done what it can do and you are not very satisfied with the results, despite the fact that you've prompted and reprompted and prompted and reprompted and prompted, right? So you can just do this very simple thing. Now, what is Magic Layer? Magic Layer is a feature on Canva that allows you bring in an image and it's going to make every component or part of that image editable. Now, that is what Magic Layer does. So I'm going to bring in sorry, let me just make this 40. Yeah, so I'm going to bring in an image. Let me look for something from my upload. Okay. Should I work on sorry, don't mind me, I'm thinking off my head. Okay, let me use this. So look at this image now, right? This is a picture I got from Pinterest. Yeah, Pinterest. I think that's the right pronunciation. So this is a picture I got from Pinterest, and let's say this is what I'm working on. You're going to have to expand it in a way that all the features are going to still be very visible, so that it will not shrink up. I think that's the word I'm looking for. So that it wouldn't shrink up. You want to be able to do what you want to do without it losing its any information. Now this is the image I downloaded off Pinterest. Now I'm going to come here. First of all, this thing is quite blurry, right? Let's say like a client reach out to you, oh, I want you to help me design a poster or something, and you don't just, and you've searched on Canva, you're not like really satisfied with what you are seeing. You can just go to other sources like on Google, Pinterest, anywhere you want to go to, and once you get the image, you come here. So if it is blurry, right, we can use the upscale features. So basically the upscale feature help you, like the word said, upscale. It's brighten up, like it makes the image less blurry. That is my own simple term. It makes the image more presentable, remove the blurriness, it makes it sharper and all that. So now that we've used the upscale on this image, now let's go to why the reason for this video, which is the Magic Layer. Now with Magic Layer now, everything in this picture is going to be editable. Everything in this picture is going to be editable. Both the image, both the text, both the logo. Let's just do a stain. Let's just wait. Okay, I don't know for if it is worth something, but I am on Canva Pro, so I think I should put that out there. I'm on Canva Pro. So now, yep, now we are here. So you see, everything here is now editable. See, sorry, I can move this logo, I can move this text. Do you see that? So if you have to work for somebody and you want to use this kind of image, you can just use the Magic Layer, remove the image, right? Come right here, pick the color that you want to pick. You can just copy this. I'm just giving you like how to work faster, so you can now make it to fit into the whole page, right? Because you are trying to replicate this design, you can now fit into the whole page. Yeah, and just the down part of it, you pick it, you paste. Do you see? Like, we're getting somewhere. You can enlarge it. You can bring in your client's logo. I'm going to just bring in my brand logo, although it's not going to like match with this. You can bring in your client logo. Are you seeing? Put it where it has to be resize. Just play around with things. Let me just use the other logo that was here. You just bring in your client logo, put it here. Do you get? And continue your thing. Like, do your thing. You can bring this in. You don't have to design from scratch. Like, people say, oh, AI this, AI this. Fine and good. Just let AI give you the information that you want. Then you can just bring in the image if you want to make it better. You can just bring the image to Canva. Use the magic layer. Split the image and do your thing. It's that simple. Do you understand? That's basically what magic layer does. It splits the design into editable components. That is what it does. I don't know what's wrong with this. I don't know if it is my internet or if something is acting up, but just make sure you do your thing properly, and before you know, voila, you've done what you need to do. Oh, it was just busy coming in here, sorry. So maybe I'll just bring it in one. So that is what you can do. It's just that. So you see, you can just, then this part of the information side, you can just put your client's number. Like, if I want to put my number +2348147441855. With this, you don't have to spend hours designing from scratch. Just do your thing. And if your client's, this is not your client brand color, you can go for your what you want. You can change the color. It doesn't have to be, are you seeing what I'm saying? It doesn't have to be so complicated. So I hope this is helpful to somebody. You just do your thing and move ahead with your life. You don't have to spend hours working on something from scratch. So this is one of the Canva hacks that you need to know. Is this part 3 or part 4? Sorry, I've not been uploading. Life has been very busy, but notwithstanding, I decided to do this today. So do take care and have a wonderful day. Bye bye. Bye.